could you please explain any example through the sports that what are the things that how it is involved in the corruption?
Sir,
Could you please
business,
create an example for that?
for example, sir, Pakistani businessmen, uh, very big businessmen in Pakistan, they are not properly that pay their tax. This is corruption. And for example, sir, sports field, we can see about the sports field, sir, like not select the proper players, like
Sorry to say
corruption.
to stop you for this here point. So yes, Mr. Akil, what do you want to say about that, especially regarding this discussion that as far as Mr. Aman is saying that in sports there is the corruption. So how could you see this point?
Yes, sir. In sports, it is corruption that many people that are doing marketing from it. They are doing. You will see that many in the sports shoes, in the sports in balls, they are doing corruption. They are not working properly. But in my point of view, I think that every person that is coming to the government, he is thinking of the 5 years. He's thinking of the 5 years that he will do his job and get some money, and he will go forward, and he will take some money, and he will go from this government. He is thinking of the limited time period. Nobody is thinking about the government. Nobody is thinking about the people that are in the government. They are just doing this is just like a sales, and someone is purchasing it.
That's good. I appreciate you to explaining this. So now I would love to ask Mr. Zulfikar, how could you contribute in that? What do you think that actually they have raised the sports area where the especially corruption is being done? So what do you think that where are then other examples to whom you wanna show, especially the departments? Would you please explain that?
Yeah, sir. In my point of view, sir, corruption, sports field, sir, have a big corruption. Sir, like, sir, our players, sir, proper player not playing the game, but sir, he.
What do you think according to, okay, they have mentioned sports areas, but how do you mention about the education department? Is there any corruption in education departments?
Yeah, sir, education regarding sir, already corruption because every person is corrupt. It's because, sir, I am going to school, but sir, my school time is 8:30, but I not going to my school time. I going to my time.
Do you think
So
that
this is
actually,
the corruption, sir.
do you think that is corruption when you are not punctual of time? Is it corruption?
No, sir, it is not.
Yes. No.
Sir, corruption is school fund, big fund amount, but not school covered, not facility the school, only bus.
Okay, yes. Sir, how, Mr. Zulfikar, what do you want to say when the any school funding comes, especially funds are donated to the schools and government schools, and when there is expenses are less, for example, the expenses are 5 lakhs, but especially they mentioned the expenses as 15 lakhs.
I read in Maulana school, so sir, there are sir coming judge and chairman, sir, many other people, sir. He said, sir, our government, sir, donate our school, sir, 1 crore 50 lakhs. But sir, our school, sir, today not built, sir. I read in 6 lakhs, sir, but today, sir.
Yeah, yes, Sir Abraham, how could you explain the corruption? According to you, in your opinion, what corruption is?
Corruption and bribery is poison for our country and our players and our city. Corruption is dishonesty in any area, in any field. For example, sir, education field. Many teachers get salary, but he not properly work. In sir villages, teachers not gone to school. And sir, in the villages school, cows and animals in the school. and sir, other things, police.
Okay, as you have mentioned that actually in villages, especially the most of the schools who are closed, even the buffaloes, animals are
Yes, sir.
just being wind over there. So how could you find that? So what's the reason behind that? Could you explain the reasons behind this?
Sir, teachers are not gone to school, and sir, government not the action,
Government is not taking the action.
not taking the action, and sir, teachers are not. If teacher gone to school and the teachers teach students, and sir, area-wise government, area-wise federal government, and some government, provincial government taking sir action. So.
Okay, sir. Could you have an idea about like a safe have got many NGOs or schools, and they have got semi-government. Could you have an idea that how is there any corruption?
Yes, sir. NGOs chairman, rich to richest, but NGOs person and NGOs are low in budget and other things. But sir, NGOs NGOs worker not work properly. Sir, every NGO, sir, in front of them. Jile Sani NGO, sir. He not work in the Hadarshah school. So Hadarshah school not properly work. Their teachers are not joined in school and not come to school.
Yes, we appreciate it that you
Sir,
have.
may I tell you some points about the education?
Yes.
That every government is a socialism. Every government is a socialism. Let me elaborate you about the word socialism, what it is. Socialism is that the government is working for their people, and they are reducing the lack, or they are reducing their work and their output. Do you know about the India? They have the free education to their PhD, and we do not, and they are educated from us. You know, the second country is India, who has the good English accent, and who is known as English country, as an English country. You know, even the word shalwar on that language, they have completely accepted that word in English. This is the Indians under panty. You can say that these are under panty. So you know, in Finland, even in Finland, there is a best education. Why there is the best education in Finland? Because they are working for their people. They are working for their people, and this is the thing that our government is not doing. Japan was demonstrated and was demolished by Hitler, and in Second World War, what did they say? They said we have the education and we have the power of a woman, of a mother. We have two things, and they have worked a lot, and their education, they have the educated people, they have the well civilized people. Our people are not well civilized. They are doing and they are involved in the bad habits. They are involved in the gutka, pan. Even a worst thing that are doing is our people. Even our people are not sincere with us, and our government is also not sincere with us.
That's good. I appreciate you the way you explained, and you have took some names of the out of countries, and you have given examples that actually they have elaborated, especially the education is the only way to be a successful country or progressive country in that. That's good. Yes, Mr. Sakib, how could you explain the hospitals? There are too many hospitals in our country, so could you find any corruption in that?
Yes, sir. The doctors cannot come properly time, and first of all, sir, they are more person because government is giving very large amount of funds, but I think I not seeing in my life in hospital they build because sir I think I am 14 years old. I am 5 years old and see the hospital. And now I am 18 years old. Then I go there and see the hospital. It's totally damaged. And sir, you go government hospitals and see patients are like they have no facility, no oxygen, and you go and patients sleep on
On the floor.
on the floor. So there are no properly medicines, no properly doctors. They collecting
Next, Mr. Sakib, a comprehension overview of that. Yes, Mr. Zaid, how could you explain the way he said that actually he has passed his, 18 years in his life when he was a five. So he had seen the hospitals while being built, especially government hospitals. So, but now it has been passed at least for 13 years. But in the 13 years, there is no maintenance of the hospitals. They are being damaged day by day. Instead of giving the security of the health, they are just damaging them. So, how do you agree to this point?
We agree to this point because government does not have action to maintain it, and they does not action to doctors. They does not
Speak loudly.
there does not come possible time on time, and they absent at the time of surgeries and more critical condition of patient, and they and many like Sakib say, many patients sleep on floors, footpath on hospitals, and they do not have the facility to maintain it.
Yes, Mr. Man, how could you see this? Especially regarding hospitals, is there any corruption? If is corruption, what are the causes behind this? Do you have any good reasons for that?
Yes, sir. In Pakistan, majority of the hospitals are. I agree with Mr. Khatib and Jess. But ICU rooms and patient rooms are damaged in not proper conditions. But this era, Pakistan are better by better condition in hospitals. For example, the government hospitals are proper timing doctors. And this era, for example, new doctors are responsible and proper work. This era.
Yes, Ms. Zulfikar. Actually, Mr. Zulfikar, he says that they both were agreed to one point that actually still now there is no any progress report for the regarding hospitals, the maintenance of the hospitals. But now if we see, he's saying that actually in this era, the old area it was like that, but in this era it's not like that. Pakistan is progressing regarding health centers. How could you see this point?
Yeah, sir, I agree because government hospitals have a not requirement, sir. Every person goes to hospital, but he cannot everything helpful to other people. But we have many things, but he cannot attend the things for our people.
Yes.
Sir, first of all, people are giving government food because in the giving like hospital are damaged. But big reason is government cannot action for this issue. So our government is corrupt, so I think this is big reason.
It means that government is not supporting, especially government is not taking the action that
Yes, sir.
how it should be and
Yes, sir.
how it should be recovered. Government is not taking any support
Yes,
to kill those mafias that
Yes,
who are
sir.
doing this. Fine. Yes, sir. According to you, when we eat something, like there is many things for each other, like in shop, Karyana shop especially we go. Is there any corruption in that when taxes are increased? So do you think that is it corruption? How? Please explain this.
So I have no words.
But is it not corruption?
English class.
Fine, doesn't matter. Yes, Mr. Fahad.
This is not corruption. Taxes are not.
Taxes are not corruption.
No, no.
How could you see why the taxes are not the corruption? Could you please explain for this?
So a government servant, where from they get salary? From taxes they get salary. If we will never give the taxes, then where from they get salary? Then how the prime minister, how government run our country?
How could you see, especially in a government service, when a highway comes, especially on the motorway, police is standing over there, and especially some of the cars are Land Cruisers who are the well-developed people. They just show their ID card and they give them, and they don't even ask that who are you. If any middle class families or the poor family who is standing and they are asking that what is it, and they just check all to them. How could you see? Is it corruption or not?
Yes, sir. It is corruption. They leave them because they are a landlord, but that they leave them, but they are totally corrupt. They are totally corrupt. Corruption is everywhere. In my view, in hospital and police station, a second name of corruption they both have. In a hospital, a doctor treat a patient. If a patient a man of letter, then they treat them well, properly. If a patient is a villager, then they not treat them well. They write something and they took them something. If they write some injection and they took them some injection. If a patient is a villager, then if a patient is a letter of words, then they properly treat them. Now we are coming to police station. Police station, it is also a second name of corruption. When a police arrested someone, a vadera, a landlord, called the police and they release them all, For that, they release them. They pressurize for them. They pressurize their seniors. Their seniors pressurize them. For that, they release the.
Release them.
They release them.
Yes, sir. Could you please explain this according to the hospital, especially on the police? Is there any corruption in the police department?
There is a lot of corruption, I think, in the police department. Even I am on his point that he is saying that tax is not bad, but taking too much tax is bad. You see, I have above mentioned it that in the German government, Germany has done a constitution that they will take up tax. They will take tax from the from all the people who are running the cars. So what did they do? They all the government, all the people have done the unity. They done the unity, and they run their cars to the roads, autobahn pull, and they have lived their cars and vehicles on that pull. And they said their government that you can now come and start driving it. Now see, they have unity. They have the focus, and they have the power to deal with their government. We don't have the power to deal with our government. We don't know how to deal with our government. After few minutes, the government taken their action back, and they said that now we will not give the tax to the middle class people. So I think that this is our responsibility to deal with the government, and we are not doing it.
Okay, having this group fruitful discussion, so how could you give the suggestions? That what kind of suggestions? Could you please explain your own ideas that how can we stop the corruption? Do you have any suggestions for that? Yes, Mr. Fahad, how could you explain this?
Sir, we make a unity. If we public are if we public are if a public has a unity, then corruption will remove from.
A public unity, and every person should be educated and know about his laws and know about his
Then-
constitution. That what will we give the will we give the papers, a bike paper or a car issued paper to show to the police or to a traffic policeman. We don't know about it. We don't know about our laws. So we should be educated, and for education we have to change our curriculums that we are doing in Punjab. I was discussing with this man that in Punjab there are two syllabus that they are working on, a federal board and a Punjab board. And in Pakistan and in even since there are 27 curriculum that we follow. In government school we choose another syllabus to give the education to the students, and in private school we use the Oxford books. So these changes are making it different and making it hard to study. We all should have the single curriculum to work on, and this will make the education, and this will make a man clarify and give a liberal and a polite society.
That's good for your kind suggestions and somehow explanations that the way you explain. I appreciate you for that. Yes, Mr. Zulfikar, how could you give the suggestions? According to you, what are the suggestions for that?
Sir, every person will be changed. So sir, everything is changed. Sir, every person have a sir mistake. But sir, it is a sir majority. It is sir. Our Pakistan have a sir. First of all, sir, mistake is sir. Every person is corrupted. Sir, every person will be changed. So sir, everything changed.
That's great. Yes, Mr. Rahman, how would you see this?
Sir, according to me, sir, says, I appreciate you. This man is brilliant point of view. The Pakistan people are reading 5 courses like Pakhtunkhwa, Federal, Punjab, St. Textbook, and another place. And this problem is people are read some courses. They are not developing the economic countries. Like see the foreign countries, they are reading one course and read in mother tongue. Point of view, and people have a unity and everything is changed.
Yes, Mr. Zaid, what's your suggestion regarding this?
It is right if we in school or mother tongue also, we know about the practical and theoretical form of our study, and then we give a opinion.
That's good. Yes, sir. What will be your suggestions regarding the corruption? That how could we stop it?
If every person educated, so we start, sir, if every person read the laws books and every person know about the something about the education and other fields, so stop the corruption. But sir, in Pakistan, most of people not knowing the rules and laws. In sir police, he paid for 80 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 500 rupees, because sir, person not know rules. And sir, other things in sir school system, in education system, and sir most governments. So sir, we stop this. Educated person stop this.
Yes, Mr. Sakib, what do you want to say about this? That how could we stop? How can we stop this?
First of all, people change our thinkings, because when people are corrupt, like as you see they take the electricity, and then someone see him and like he doing this, and he's saying that this is not a big problem. He is doing also, and then I am doing, so I think this is not a problem. Sir, this is a corruption. I think first of all people are change our thinkings. So then corruption is already eradicated.
Okay, that's good. There's an informative group discussion where everybody has shared their ideas that there is a corruption and how could we resolve it, how could we save ourselves through the corruptions. And thanks for, and especially I appreciate to everyone that you came especially here and you just oppose your views and you did well. Appreciate for the appreciations. There must be the clapping for everybody. Yes, appreciate it for this.